Go beyond warranty with Zebra OneCare maintenance plans, which offer inside-out preventative care for your Zebra products. If your devices aren't performing at their peak, neither is your business. As simple as a broken screen, unexpected setbacks can negatively impact your operations or halt them entirely. Without any coverage, the turnover for your repair can take weeks. With OneCare's Essential Maintenance Plan, get comprehensive protection and benefit from Zebra's speedy repair turnaround. Repairs can take as little as 3 days once Zebra has received your device. Trust that your hardware repairs are handled by experts and fitted with authorized parts from Zebra, ensuring the longevity of your device. OneCare is the extra step and safeguarding you need for your enterprise, shielding you from unanticipated costs and damages. With OneCare, if Zebra can't repair your device, they will replace it with a like-new device, so you won't have any operational downtime or have to shoulder the extra cost of purchasing a new device, which would bring your total cost of ownership higher than if you had initially purchased coverage.